Hey, what's up guys? PUBG Sniper M24 here. Is there any robot that can be impenetrable and it's not a Titan? Yeah. The only thing is the Hades with level 9 Avenger with level 8 Punisher. I added last turn one thermonuclear reactor for 5% more durability, level 4 armor kit for 5% more durability. No, yeah, this is for damage, this is for last turn, and this armor kit. And it does, as you know, Hades first cannons, it does 13,188 damage per shot. It does 3 shots, so a Cossack will die instantly with this stuff, or even a Natasha might die fast. And it's 53 kilometers per hour. The hit points are simple. The hit points are 1,34,300, which timing has 3 times of it, I think so. So 3 Hades is equal to 1, and that's a level 11 arming. So let's just get into this battle beacon rush. Hope we get a medium to close range battle. At least map like Valley, Dreadnought is too much. Valley, Shenzhen, Springfield. We'll go with the Icon, guys. It has 1,100 meters. I can direct. Oh, okay, guys. So now I'm flying. I'm not wasting my flight ability because I want to keep it in these guys coming too close to me. Like around 400 meters. They come back close to me. I'm just destroying it. You know what? Hades is a complete waste. Hades is a no, not I meant to say I think is a complete waste. Doesn't do any damage. Okay, you know what? I'm going to Hades. I'll show you how much damage it does. The face shifted because I know this guy is send some rockets with me. Yeah, see, I told you that. Look how much damage. Look how much damage. Just because of that. Look how easy this is. Look at the how last one. Just because of that use, guys. Now I might have to cut the video somewhere here. So, okay, let's just hop into one more match. I got an idea. I'll upgrade the Punisher. This is just for more damage. So, it's in sequence now. It'll add around like, let's see, it'll add 59 more damage. Oops, wrong one, sorry guys. It'll add on 130 more damage, 350. So it will do 700 damage per shot. Like no, would be awesome if I had around 1 million now. Then I could have brought 5 hangars, guys. Literally 5 hangars. And Mark 2 level 12. I'm watching that. You can skip through that part because nothing is too important in this that. Not even nothing will come. I won't speak anything. Oh, Warface. Okay. I need to entertain you guys so that and I have few links which I want you to watch and be entertained, and a lot of giveaways will be coming in that channel, but you will get it in the end of the video. I promise you will. Just check. And if you like the Hades and you love it too much, there was an offer like a month ago where there was like 3 months ago, but that was 6,400 because it just gave 1 Avenger and 2 Halos extra. But there was a normal Hades with nothing, only Hades. Which costed 820 bucks. hours, I think so. Look how fast we got. Look how fast this rocket got. Look, that's the power of the impenetrable Hades. Some noobs are impenetrable because they don't know grammar. You need to learn grammar. I usually struggle a lot at learning grammar because I'm lazy to write translate. I know everything suitable to my level, but the problem for me in studies is I'm lazy, guys. I know a lot of math, English, and computer answers. I even know how to do copy paste in the computer. I know how to switch from this tab to that tab rather than using your mouse. You can use the keyboard. I know all those tricks, guys, but I suffer at working on this. Wow, come on, yes. Come on. Just because of this much damage, I could have died. Okay, spend my energy shooting. You know what? That was a waste. I thought I had level 6 last time, but last one. Okay, so that guy is there. I'm taking this and shooting because the griffin is much help, as you see. And I'm down to maximum right now. And with one shot, more than 2 shots of this Skeletor, I will just see. Now what we are going to do is, this only the Hades, guys. It's like a Hades only challenge, so you might not be having fun normally. So I'm hoping to free for all so that you guys can enjoy this, because I can deploy the robots several times or more than one time. In third or fourth we have a lot of short combat. Enemy 4. I know that you are Ares and you'll start shooting me. Look how fast I killed you, guys. Oh. That Ares is trying to defend himself. Look, guys, that's the power of the impenetrable. People are shooting me at the same time. Only I'm going to survive this. Look how much damage that Ares took. In one shot. That much damage. Okay, so I know that the Hades is a newbie bot, but still, just because the Avengers are not maxed yet, that's why this happens, guys. So if I watch,
I hope Varun can face the fast bowler.
Mrs. Patel is prepared.
What if he gets injured? It's quite
I'll
risky.
just forward
Bowler
through
fast
this
bowler.
video. Guys, so I have skipped through the upgrading part because it took a lot of ads to watch, and I know we'll all get bored of ads. What we want is good bots and enjoying the game. So let's hop into a battle. So big cuts and stuff in the video. Okay, let's spawn with the. I should make a decision now because I can't take hits because actually, however, with Taran and Magnum are in one skirmish, and in that same skirmish there is hover with Arkan and Pinata. That guy there with the Arkan and Pinata, and I am with Taran and Magnum. Usually Magnum is a never reloading weapon. Actually healed because I got damage, as you see there. It's like X is the cross. X has a mark plane. Oh man, you are dealing tremendous damage to the Kozak. You will deal tremendous damage if I was a Kozak, and I would never be beat a Kozak, as you know, unless in a worst setup. Okay, I bet that's a double jump level. No, is that a griffin? Yeah, I think so, because that can't be a raven. Because I think it had a jump module, guys. There are 3 new modules, active modules, which are called for the Titan, however, not for the Titan, which are called diffuse. Oops, sorry guys, I know that's totally the wrong module. Which are called active modules. Okay, guys, remember? Which are called. I forgot the name actually. Sorry, guys, again. I'm so sorry. So those are the names. I'm trying to not forget it again. So those are jump module, dash module, and guide module. I think so stealth module. The stealth module is simple. Equip it to a robot. When the enemy attacks you, will activate stealth for few seconds, like 2 to 3. So I'm just annoying this guy here with the power. The dash ability, what it does is it dashes the robot both once. The jump ability jumps the robot. What I usually like to do if the feature is allowed, I like to jump with the higher jump, then start flying. Then we'll be in a higher altitude, right guys? Then we might get more security. I know it. Oh, he has overdrive unit. Are you kidding me? This is shifting. Who said that the laser, especially laser, will go through and will take less damage? Not even less damage. Where did he get that resistance from? Huh? I'm not going to be focusing on the Titan unless this bot type. No focusing on Titans. Even though it's attracting, I know Titan is very attracting. I know Titans are ultra attracting. I know they are attracting, very attracting. Of course, I have my last run. Time to spawn with the Ming. The holy Ming. Actually, this is the beast Ming right here. It's called as a beast because it does super damage. But don't think that I'm speaking about Mr. Beast. The picture will be right in the upper right, left corner. It will be very small, so it might be hard. I don't think so it will be there. Sorry guys for telling you the wrong thing. I actually try to fool you guys, but I know that you are pros and I'm a bit dummy noob. So I know that no, I cannot fool anybody except you. The only thing I can fool is Manny, but turns out to be that he's acting pretty smart, you know. He's acting pretty smart, so I'm a bit dumb right here. Guys, I'm not here to make giveaways and stuff. So we deployed Arthur 9, then I'll just fly right like there. But guys, if I fly right there, they cannot attack me. So I'll fly, especially the Arthur, unless he has cataclysms. I fear those heavy blasting arc weapons. Cataclysm is same to Calamity and Scourge. Cataclysm is like 2 cataclysms. Some Cyclone is like a Scourge but more damage. Oh man, you have retaliatory stuff on those. No chance, my boy. No chance to get me. So what I usually like to do is I like to fly from there. Then I might fly a lot. And this will be about the impenetrable ADs and flying armor. This is flying indeed. Oh, Kiddo. It would be awesome if the Arthur was on my team and this Kiddo was on his team, but this guy actually operated the Arthur and that guy operated this Kiddo. Would be bad for the Arthur guy and would be very good for the Kiddo one, because Kiddos like to try. No, beginners like to Titan beginners. That means they just started the Titan thing now. They like to try new stuff, man. They really like to try new stuff. Oh, guys. We might be in a bad situation right now. Okay, let's just fly up. Oh, phew, man. If I didn't have flown up, I would have died by now. Because Arthur is getting closer. And I'm not triggering that attracting repair ability. I don't think that he has defense. I guess he has defense, but it's not actually showing that here. I know activated that for a reason. I knew that he would scare me. I know when a Titan fires at me, but I don't know if there are any snipers. The bad thing is, thunders deal imperial damage to me, and as you know, I fear thunders. If you didn't know, I fear thunders actually. It deals around lots of damage, ultra damage to my Titans, especially to the super Titans like Nodens, Arming, Arthur. Kiddos don't fear it because they have resistance, and Armings fear it a lot because they are flying and they don't like to land, because then they have their beta weapons accurate, then they will not. We are incredibly annoying the enemy right now. Just this video might be named as the annoying warning, guys, but I won't name it since I use this. Okay, I can shoot the Arthur from back here, which will make it easier for me to kill that Arthur. The Titan Slayer of Ming, guys. I know my accent is strange, but I would have almost killed him and capped the beacon if the match lasted for 1 more minute or 1.5 more minute. So that's the whole video, guys, and the whole point of this video is for you to enjoy, guys. That's the whole point of this video. So the next part will be speaking about buying a second hangar, guys. I guess the next video will be coming up like on Children's Day. Now it's so late. This year 2020 Children's Day. Then I can get a new hangar. Then what will happen is I'm currently upgrading the Punisher so that it will be more damage output next time, guys. I actually wanted to go to P, so I just cut the video there and continued it here. So the whole concept of this video is not for me to enjoy, for you guys to enjoy. So bye bye. The next video might be about Hover or Ken or whatever. I might be using Bulgazari with the 1x Wasp and the 2x Punisher. That might be my favorite recommended equipment. This is Ivory Scourge. Wow, I didn't know that. This looks ugly. This looks good. Oh, sorry guys. I just said this while I was in the store. So it would be awesome if we got this bot. Where is it? 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 Where is the Haichi? Guang, Inquisitor, Haichi, Cerbus. We got the. So what happened is these robots now, those are too expensive, so we might use Ares in the upcoming days. Infinite Desert looks good. There might be a video where we'll check all the paint jobs. The favorite one for me is I'll run Fatal with 2x Amber Makato. I might have to sell the Revenger because I'm getting the Cyber one, and Cyber and Yandi Avengers don't make a match because this is black or purple or whatever you want to call it, and Yandi Avenger is black and yellow. So the normal Avengers will be better, which are 2x, which I am lucky in, because you want to see, guys, one Avenger here and one Avenger here. I'll sell this Nashorn. I'll get free silver. Only 20k. That's the sad part about it. Okay, let's sell this Thunder. We don't need the Thunder. And we might be getting Falcon soon on Children's Day, I think so, guys. So until then, we'll be speaking about arming. We might even get an Arthur next time. We might use the Hurricane with the Tulumbas. We might use the Bulgazari with Tulumba, with the Arkan, or can hide you with this and nonsense. So the noble looks good. So in the next video we might be looking of all paint jobs. So have a great day, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. It'll just take you 5 seconds just to go below. The scrolling we might take 3 seconds. Just go below, guys. Put that subscribe button. And the sad part about this, I only have 5 to 10 subscribers. So that's very sad. I started my channel like a month ago and I'm already sad. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed, click on the like button. If you have any War Robot friends, just share this video to them so that they enjoy about the Hades and Daoming. So I might have to, oh wow, somebody won Arthur. I just saw it below and that was shocking. I can tell you where the one from the Arthur from, guys. They won it here. This is the Cataclysm I was speaking about, the Cyclone, the Self-Fix unit, the Nodens. Of course it's healing. Look, I told you it has 2 charges. And it's equipment is the best thing happened to me if I had 5,000 cases. 1 arming, 2 cataclysms, 2 cyclones, and maybe if I had more keys, 500 platinum 10 times, and the self-fix unit at least 1 we need. Oh wow, man. Okay, so I guess we have to end the video right here or the video might get too long. So have a great day, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like and share the video to your friends. Turn on notifications so that if I'm getting new videos you won't miss it. Some might be important, like announcing about new War Robots channels, new DAS channels. You must not miss that, because then if you get bored of my content, it might be hard for you to find that. So bye bye, guys, and it's me. I'll be back in another video. Be safe.